welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to talk about all new everyone's favorite Lamborghini company, not our car, company plus car. So in this video I am going to talk about Lamborghini as always. Come forward guys, come forward. And if you are new to the channel, like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment guys. No one is commenting, and I saw 68 people has subscribed, 38 people is not subscribing. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and in this month complete my 50 subscribers goal. So yeah, as I brought you the yesterday's video of McLaren Senna, today I'm going to say about Lamborghini. Don't think Lamborghini Senna, it's Lamborghini. Lamborghini is an Italian brand. It is from Italy company, or it is a Italian brand, and the manufacturers and all are from Italy manufacturers. Italy, as you saw, even Ferrari is from there. And in this video I'm going to say Lamborghini is a very good luxury and expensive and race car and sports is race only, race is sports only. Lamborghini is based on Santa Agata Bologese. This company was owned by Volkswagen company, you know everyone. Volkswagen has a very good car plus it's an it owns Audi also. So Lamborghini's founder is Ferruccio Lamborghini. He started this Lamborghini company in May 1863. Lamborghini started this vehicles as a tractors before, you know. No, then it came into the cars. To say the story means Lamborghini, Ferrari Rocher, Ferrari, Ferruccio Ferruccio Lamborghini has started this his dream motor company, and he kept it as Lamborghini with the bull sign. So before the tractors he started, not before, first he started the tractors, and the tractors he started, and the tractors went very well, and the tractors which he started, the first model of was the tractor name, he named it as L33, and that price is India 73 lakhs. So talking about that, if you are good farmer, if you are good known of farming, architecture, or farming vegetables and all veggie food lover, you can use these tractors, but not now. In olden days, now new tractors has come, you can use it, that especially Mahindra's. Mahindra also started their first procedure of this Lamborghini. Lamborghini is also same tractor to car. Mahindra also same tractor to car. So I was saying the story of Ferruccio Lamborghini. Then Ferrari's founder. Ferrari's founder Enzo Ferrari was teasing him as, you don't know to manufacture a proper car, you'll manufacture the tractors. So yeah, then Ferruccio Lamborghini has thought, even I'll make one day the car and show you. And now the car is in millions in America and crores in India. And the highest model of Lamborghini to talk is the Lamborghini Veneno Roadster in India, that is 23 lakh crores, sorry, not lakhs, 23 crores. And talking about this Lamborghini's top speed is 350 kilometers per hour, and it's 0 to 100 it catches on 2.8 seconds, 0 to 200 8.6 seconds, 0 to 300 in 24 seconds. It don't even take a proper 30 seconds to go in no, full speed. And this car has been absolute brilliant in the road. And talking about its good car is its good car is there are so many cars of this good cars of Lamborghini, and not only one, there are many more. From starting to ending, there are many more Lamborghinis which has created. So yeah, most expensive car of this is Lamborghini Veneno Roadster. Price is 23 crores in Indian rupees. And 2019 it has launched a new SUV car, which is Lamborghini's first SUV car, named it as, mention me in comment section, that is Lamborghini Urus. And upcoming car of Lamborghini is Lamborghini's upcoming car are many more, like a Lamborghini Aventador Roadster, Sesto Elemento, and Lamborghini Centenario. Also, new update is going to come soon. So if you are a Lambo fan, subscribe, like, share to everyone who you know, and share this video in social media also to get soon. So yeah, please complete my 50k also, and 50 subscribers in this month, 50k in this December. So please. And coming back to the topic, and Lamborghini's first car was invented in and his first car was created in 1870, named it as Lamborghini 350 GTV, sorry, and the price is 310 crores in Indian rupees. Now also it is there in India. It runs very nice. And if you have a vintage car lover, you can buy this car. Or if you don't have if you are not a vintage car lover, you can buy the all new Lamborghini 2021 Mansory Urus. And talking about the 2021 Lamborghini Urus prices, the same the price they kept it near to 3-4 crores. That's it, not more than that. If you are a good Lambo fan, and if you want to buy a Lambo as a dream car, Urus is the best car for you. And of talking about the two-seater car of India in Lambo, Aventador and Gallardo is the best two-seater car in Bharat Mata Ki Jai Ho, India. This boat has a very good seat capacity, and where it runs very well in India, as you may see in Lamborghini runs in Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, wherever you think, wherever you can take it. You can take it to village also, no problem. The car is very nice. So if you are a Lambo fan, you can advantage of this car is very nice. And if you compare Lamborghini and Rolls-Royce Cullinan, Lamborghini Urus and Rolls-Royce Cullinan, Rolls-Royce Cullinan is a luxury SUV car. Lamborghini Urus is adventure sports SUV car. You can use this. Both are 5-seater, nothing common. Rolls-Royce is the best luxury interior car, and exterior, as always, everyone knows. So talking about this thing, Rolls-Royce is same like normal, not normal, it's a very hybrid branded car. Like in phones, if you take the example of Apple is very expensive product in phones, Rolls-Royce is very expensive product in cars. Yeah. And Lamborghini's first tractor, as I say you, it is a very nice. It runs very well in every roads, and not off road. You can take it for roads, nothing like that. It's way now also it goes in villages and all. It runs. You may see in America, you may see it in Australia, you may see it in Canada. It runs in villages also until now also. So if you have any dream about this car, you can buy this car in future. Or if you are a good youngster who are watching my videos now, you can 20 plus people or 23 plus age, you can take your time and go to the showroom, or order a good car of Lamborghini. As I say, you five-seater car is only Urus, which they launched in 2019 and 2021. The update of Rolls-Royce Urus is still pending. It will come in this November or December. So Lamborghini's 2019 top model speed is 199, and talking about Lamborghini 2021 Urus, the speed they increased into 305. So yeah. And if you stay in Bangalore, and Bangalore Lamborghini showroom is Bangalore, Lamborghini Bengaluru, it's in Ashok Nagar. And if you want me to make the video of Bugatti companies, mention me in this comment, and 35 likes goal in this video, and 10 subscribers, and complete 50 subscribers in this month. And that's it, I say. And if you are a Lambo fan, so many times I'll be saying, like this video, like, and share it to your friends for the more updates of Lamborghini.